Let us see how to find all factors of 12 by prime factorization method step by step. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 12 in index form. Please follow the below steps to find the prime factorization of any number. Step 1. Start dividing 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 12 exactly, we get 6. Again, start dividing 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 6 exactly, we get 3. Observe here, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor, that is itself. Got it? Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. As per step 2, please stop here since 1 is reached. Step 3. Collect all prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2 and 3. So, prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3. This is the index form. Step 2. Write all possible powers of each factor from 0 up to the highest power. Let us write all possible powers of 2 to the power 2. They are 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. This gives you 1, 2 and 4. Similar way, let us write all possible powers for 3. They are 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1. This gives you 1 and 3. Step 3. Multiply all possible combinations to get all factors. Now, let us multiply all possible combinations. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 3. Therefore, all factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.